A best bus carrying passengers from Mumbai's Kurla region to Andheri rammed into more than 30 vehicles, killing 8 and injuring more than 50. Now this has led to severe outrage from people questioning about their security while travelling in a public transport. While the bus was travelling from Kurla to Andheri, it took the route of Ambedkar Nagar, which is an otherwise usual region where usually we see that people from all source of be it work or people heading from their colleges to home, and also it is a market locality, so there were a lot of crowd present in the market when this accident happened on Monday evening at around 9:45 p.m. As soon as the bus driver lost his control, he first rammed into some around 6 to 7 auto rickshaws, after which he started ramming the vehicle into people in a linear form, after which he eventually rammed the bus into a wall of a cooperative housing society. Now here we see that while it was 9:45 p.m, people from all walks of life were heading back home. Some were heading back home after their colleges, and this has led to more than 8 people losing their lives, out of which 3 of them are under the age of 20, whereas one is of 70 years of age, while the rest belonging from the 45 to 50 years. Now here on one end, people are demanding stringent action against the driver so that no such incident happens again or occurs again, whereas now a forensic team has been formed to understand what exactly transpired, that the bus driver lost his control over the entire bus. But for now, what we get to know from our sources is that the driver is a new driver and he's not that well experienced when it comes to handling heavy vehicles, and he was newly brought to this wet lease bus. Now usually Best is not owning all of its buses. It has given some of its buses on lease to some of the contractors for them to operate and generate revenue and give it back to Best. Now here one of those buses belongs to the wet lease. The contractor here is in question that why did he hire such a driver who was not well experienced in handling heavy vehicles. While on the other, we also see that the people who lost their lives, after which today in Kurla region, the entire activity of Best bus was suspended. There were no bus operations. People had to face great difficulties to reach to their workplace. While on the other, a lot of damage could be seen in and across the area after the bus continued to run in heavy speed for around 1 kilometer. At present, we see that whereas people are demanding stringent actions, the Best bus has not yet issued a complete statement. While Best has always been in operation for decades to serve people, but in this particular incident, why is there a mum on the authorities is a bigger question, whereas it is being told by the BMC that the death toll could also rise considering the entire activity of the bus driver, and also that the death toll from 7 can rise further, whereas people who are injured are currently being treated at Sion Baba Hospital. The Chief Minister of Maharashtra, Devendra Fadnavis, has now announced an ex gratia of 5 lakhs rupees for the deceased families, whereas it is also stated that the Best undertaking will be getting all the necessary hospitalization done and treatment done for all the people who were injured in this incident. More than 60 people were traveling in the bus, whereas there were hundreds of them on the streets, and the bus continued to ram it all. A medical test of the driver has been done at JJ Hospital, after which the reports will be handed over to the police team, and thereon they will be releasing whether was the driver drunk or was it really a brake failure of the bus as well as the bus driver, as he claims to be, and if he was in a drunken state, what could the possible actions be. But for now, FIR of culpable homicide has been registered against the driver, considering the nature of the accident, and thereafter he was presented in the Kurla court, where now he'll be sent to the police custody. So a big incident in Mumbai, a big accident that killed so many people, injuring hundreds, and now what remains is a bigger question, is that how will Best ensure that these actions are not repeated in the future, and even if to understand how will this take action against these contractors who hire such drivers, be it at a low cost or a low pay, so that they save their money, and these drivers without any prior experience ram such heavy vehicles at public place, which is a busy street where hundreds of people are walking. So a bigger question to be answered by the best, and they are in question, and we'll have to wait and watch what actions is being taken by the best to ensure public safety in public transport. With video journalist Mahesh Halwai, मैं सुजाता द्विवेदी for NDTV 24/7.